Let's welcome Sakshi on our MYB channel for video chat. Please tell us, Sakshi, about yourself and about your career.
So, I am basically a professional growth hacker and a coach to solopreneurs. And I own a company into training and skill development called Mind Dynamics. That's just the brand behind me. So, I actually, thank you a lot for calling me on this platform, first of all, and giving me this opportunity to share my views on my working, my thoughts, and also on something on brand building, I think, because that's where we resonate.
So this, I just catch a word from your profile, solopreneur. I just want to know more about it and what is the motivation behind this.
So basically, solopreneur is like, a solo entrepreneur. So many of us, especially who are students or who are freelancers or mostly like, women who don't get to work a lot after a sudden family situation. It may be anything. I mean, sometimes it's health issues, sometimes it's maternity. So it can be anything. So basically, what happens is like, when we start a business solo and we are all alone, so we lose that particular connect as to how to grow our business. Many of the business, they just end up in their own rooms where they were. They even don't come out to the market. So that is where I provide support, and that is where solopreneur is something that is associated with me, because I started my company solo, and that is why I have been through this journey now along for 2 years and have been able to convert my business into a successful brand. So whatever elements I did, like, whatever elements I implemented in my business, whatever I did throughout this journey is something that I teach everyone. So we do a lot of hand holding practices basically with people, where we handhold them with the whole business structure. And this is specifically for solopreneurs, that is, those are running their business solo, or they have a small team of 3 to 5 people to 8 people.
What are your USPs?
Okay, so talking about my USPs, my brand is basically into training and skill development. So we are looking towards online training systems. So we sell online programs that help people grow, that help people give knowledge and share knowledge with others. So we do help with online portal developments. So everything that is with respect to online learning is basically under our USP. We serve people with giving them more of online learnings, and that through a channelized way, a strategic way, that not only they feel that they are doing trainings, or like, just like corporate training structures have been, I understand for many of us it's like little bit of boring. So we make it more of engaging kind of, and more of result oriented. So the main thing that I get from my trainings and my learnings and my company's services is that clients are happy and the learners are also happy. So they feel happy because it is something that we are helping them engage through the online learning.
Great, great. Really a good job. You're balancing both sides, trainer as well as learner. So you are helping both of them to get better output from both point of view. Really good. So any success story you would like to tell us?
I mean, through these 2 years, fortunately, there have been many. So before success, I mean, I'll tell you something that has been a challenge also. Before success came, there were challenges too. So there used to be a lot of backlash from people or corporates saying that, that online learning is something that will never work. So back in 2019, when we started the company, we used to get rejected with the proposal saying that this whole funda is not going to work. So please stop working on this. Like, some of the people, they were upfront to me telling it, this will not work, better stop working. So even that was also the condition that happened with us. And then obviously, like, thanks to COVID, that we could grow at a faster scale because of the environment and of the, you can say, the learning environment that helped us grow. So that was one thing that happened. And like, if you speak about success stories, so there have been solopreneurs with me, specifically in my coaching area, where they have been able to double their business, or like, they have been able to triple their business as well. So that is something that we have helped them to grow their business using online growth strategies. Then coming to like Mind Dynamics, so we have helped schools work out with a structure that teachers are first trained how to teach online, how to make it engaging. Parents are trained how to take care of their children at home so that they don't feel burdened suddenly that, there are online classes happening. Now, most of it, they are habitual, but still that engagement is the key point. So we always take that engagement as the key point, whoever is the learner, whatever is the age. So that is something that we take care of. And in Mind Dynamics, that has changed. So we have changed learning systems with schools. We have changed learning systems with organizations. So we have helped them build their learning system in a strategic way.
So, what successes you got on the way? Initially, there's a rejection, but now there's acceptance. So, what acceptance level you got it now?
Yeah, we have our clients in with respect to individual learning programs. That is something that we host every week. So, with respect to individual learning programs, we have people even from Russia and Philippines. So, even they have been our participants into our program. That is individual learning program where individuals take initiative to learn something and they register to a workshop. Apart from that, if we come to online learning systems, developing of portals and helping people actually establish their business and grow. So we have people from Mumbai itself, like as a city. We have helped people from Bhopal. So it's a mix, it's a mix of metro city as well as people from tier 2 cities. So we have helped Ahmedabad. We have clients from Surat. So it's a mixture.
Okay. So you're basically from Mumbai?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So any message you would like to give to our audience?
You all have started accepting online learning. That's okay. But whenever you are learning online, I mean, to a learner, I would say that whenever you are learning online, please look to it that you attain something. So it should not be only for certificates, for mementos, that I want to just go and just take a certificate and come back, because this is something that is taking time from your life. It is taking energy from your life. So when you're giving time and energy to a process, ensure that you make something out of it. So this is to the learners, to the trainers, to the organizations who are implementing these programs. They are implementing online learning programs. So whenever you are training or whenever you are teaching someone or whenever you are delivering, please ensure that the learners actually are engaging and they are not sitting dull. So it should not be gone are those days when there used to be a presentation being played on a screen, where people used to come, they used to present and everything used to get over. Now people need more engagement. So it's time for more engagement if you want people to be glued to online learning. So it's a two-way process. So those who are choosing for online learning, even they need to be careful what to choose when. And those who are delivering sessions, those who are creating this whole system, they also need to ensure that they are giving their best to the learners.
How do you get clients?
Okay, so clients, basically for us, education industry was easy to penetrate because I myself have been a part of education industry for the past 10 years before switching on to business. So that has been my plus point. You can say that I could bring more of clients from education system. But apart from that, for corporates and for other individual clients that are basically trainers and support systems that we have been into using the technology to its best. So we have a system of lead generations. We have a system where people call. We have our closed communities where we are helping trainers. So that's again some where, like, before I would say, like, if you don't give, you will not get anything in return. So for a business, it's very necessary. The more value addition you do, the more people get attracted to you and they start talking to you, and then things flow naturally. So with me, it has not been a struggle with respect to leads, because that is something that has flowed in naturally. So whenever we are connecting, whenever we are networking with people, whenever we are talking to them, we're talking about their their difficulties that they're facing, the pain points. And then we have a solution for them, saying that, this is the solution and would you like to go for it? So it is a very customized interaction kind of manner, rather than having that whole lead generation funnel and system that normally major companies use or major, trainers are using. So we want to deliver the value first, and then let's see how more of leads can flow in.
Okay. It's great to talk to you today. And thanks a lot for joining our MYB channel. Wish you all the best in your career and your venture. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you, Rajesh.